the latest classroom technology at Gateway School of English. We recently introduced new interactive whiteboards in all our classrooms. All GSE classrooms are equipped with the latest available classroom technology, making lessons more dynamic and interactive. Lessons using interactive whiteboards are more engaging, and there is more student-student interaction. With just a click of a button, teachers can display visual materials that will enhance the learning experience of our students and help them better understand the language systems such as vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. All our teachers use innovative ways how to introduce daily topics and language skills such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing are practiced daily using the new digital material available on the interactive whiteboards. Thank you for listening to us. For any questions, contact us.